Hi everybody. Great to be back, had a short break. Today I'd like to read you something. As the markets change and we see inflation ramping prices because of costs of building, of labor, of fuel, of bricks, of cement, everything is just getting more and more and more expensive. And it's easy to talk about this. You know, dinner table talk, you talk with your friends, you talk around the table, how everything's getting so expensive. But we're missing the plot to really talk about what we should be doing with these prices going up. And we really need to stop ourselves in our tracks and do what we need to do if we're serious about investing in property. So this is something I've closed hundreds and hundreds of my investing seminars with, and I'd like to share it with you today and read it to you. I think it is profound in these times, and it is very, very true. It is called If Only. I hesitate to make a list of all the countless deals I've missed. Bonanzas that were in my grip, I watched them through my fingers slip. The windfalls, which I should have bought, were lost because I overthought. I thought of this and I thought of that. I could have sworn I smelt a rat. And while I thought things over twice, another grabbed them at the price. It seems I always hesitate, then make my mind up far too late. A cautious man am I, and that is why I never buy. I choose to think, and as I thought, those deals, they were bought. I should have bought. The golden chances I had them are lost, and they will never come again. Today I cannot be enticed, for everything's so overpriced. The deals of yesterday are dead. The market's soft, and so's my head. At times, a teardrop drowns my eye, for deals I had but did not buy. And now life's saddest words I pen. If only I decided then. Food for thought. Happy investing.